Hey, it's Greg from Ontario Motor Sales, and I'm here with the 2021 Chevrolet Malibu LT. This Malibu is in cherry red, and it is a beautiful color. This vehicle also has the LT Plus package with black Chevrolet bow ties, bright chrome grille, and coming around to the side, we have our aluminum wheels with the bright Chevrolet center caps. Along the side of the vehicle, we see our heated, body-colored, and power-adjustable mirrors, body-colored door handles, and chrome trim around the side. As we get to the rear of the vehicle, we're going to see our LED rear taillights, black Chevrolet bow tie, rear parking camera, as well as park assist sensors. As part of the LT Plus package, this vehicle is equipped with a sunroof, dual pane, allowing for maximum light inside the cabin. Getting into the vehicle now, we have the jet black leather interior with heated driver and passenger seats, and the driver's seat is power adjustable. As we enter the vehicle, we see our leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with hands-free cruise control as well as voice and audio options. And as part of the LT package, this vehicle comes equipped with lane keep assist and lane departure warning and other safety features such as blind spot alerts and front pedestrian braking. This vehicle also comes equipped with the push start and an 8-inch Chevrolet infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities. Moving down now, we have our dual zone climate controls with the heated seat buttons as well. And underneath that, we have USB connectivity as well as a 12-volt power option. We have a leather-wrapped shift knob, and we see our interior has a patterned accent. Moving through the remainder of the interior now, we have our leather interior stretching all the way to the rear seats. And as we look up in the interior, we see our dual pane sunroof. The rear of the car offers the jet black leather interior as well as the patterned accent, leather seats. The bench seat has a middle folding armrest with beverage holders, rear climate vents, and another view of the dual pane sunroof. This vehicle offers keyless entry to your trunk. Simply double tap the trunk release button on your key fob. The trunk will open, leaving you with plenty of cargo space. This Malibu is absolutely beautiful in cherry red, and if you'd like to see it for yourself, have any questions, or would like to book a test drive for this vehicle, contact us at Ontario Motor Sales. Our sales staff are ready and we'd be happy to help you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.